Me llamo Glen, soy de Australia, tengo 38 años.
Hola chicos, bienvenidos una vez más al canal. Hoy estoy súper emocionada porque les traigo un video un tanto diferente. Hoy voy a poner a prueba el español de mi profesor de inglés. Él me hizo sufrir a mí, ahora yo lo voy a hacer sufrir a él. Pero no se preocupen que igual van a seguir practicando su inglés porque nosotros vamos a estar hablando en inglés. Y vamos a tener como siempre los subtítulos disponibles para que entiendan todo a la perfección. Recuerda darle like a este video para que pueda llegar a muchas más personas como tú y suscribirte al canal para que no te pierdas ninguno de mis videos nuevos. Así que sin más preámbulo, vamos a recibir a mi profesor Glen y vamos a ver qué tal está su español. Hoy estoy súper agradecida con Cambly por patrocinar este video.
How's your Spanish these days?
Yeah, it's okay, you know, a bit rusty. No, just kidding. Since last time you made me suffer and sweat with these difficult words in English, I thought that it was only fair to make you suffer today and test your
Okay.
Spanish and see how
Yeah,
your
fair
Spanish
enough.
is doing.
Yeah, I think Spanish pronunciation is a bit easier, but now I've
Oh,
put the pressure on myself. So yeah,
interesting.
here we go.
Good to
Yeah.
know. Okay,
Okay.
so from 0 to 10, how good would you say your Spanish is?
Oh, like two, one
Oh,
or two. Yeah.
come
So
on.
no, it's just the beginner level. I should
Okay.
practice, but I don't. Yeah.
So before we get started, tell me name, age, and where you're from.
Me llamo Glen, soy de Australia, tengo 38 años. Yeah, so
Good.
yeah, maybe maybe you can throw out a Spanish word and I'll try to guess what it is or something
Okay,
like that.
okay, yeah, that sounds good. Okay, first word. Desafortunadamente.
Desafortunadamente.
That's good. That's pretty good.
Yes,
I'll give you an 8 for that one.
this is like unfortunate, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh no, you're
The
gonna nail
problem
all of
is,
this.
I know most of the trouble that I have is like when someone tries to speak, it's so long, it sounds like one long word, but there's
Yeah.
15 words in there. There's lots
Yes.
of de and la and que, and it's like, oh my God.
Next one. Internacionalización.
Oh, oh, internacionalización,
Internacionalización.
isación, internacionalización,
You're missing one. So, internacionalización.
internacional, no, no.
Finally, I'm making you suffer with something.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to like read it. Internacionalización.
Yes.
We're proving
Next
that I'm
one.
stupid, so
No.
moving on.
No. No. You're doing great. Like my video is me doing really badly. Ferrocarril. This is a classic.
Ferrocarril.
Yeah. What do you think it is?
Anything to do with chocolate? I was thinking
No.
Ferrero Rocher. Ferrocarril.
No. Ferrocarril is railroad. I thought you were going to have trouble pronouncing the double R, but you don't.
No, I don't. Do people have trouble with that? I don't know.
Yes. You're doing great. So I feel like this video,
Gracias.
I thought, I was going to make you sweat and suffer, but it's not happening.
It's coming.
You can click out, it's fine, he's fine. Y antes de continuar con el video, quiero decirles que como siempre, cada vez que tenemos a Cambly como patrocinante, les tenemos un regalo a todos ustedes para que puedan seguir desarrollando su inglés. Y me encanta poder brindarles la oportunidad de ser cada día mejor y de mejorar el inglés que te puede abrir tantas puertas en el mundo. Así que por eso hoy les traigo un regalo como siempre y es una clase completamente gratuita con Cambly para que puedas probar la plataforma. Es una plataforma 24 horas con profesores nativos, así como mi profesor Glen. Cada profesor se puede adaptar a tu nivel de inglés y te va a ayudar en conversación, en gramática, en lo que tú quieras. Te puedes conectar a cualquier hora desde cualquier parte del mundo. En la caja de descripción de este video les voy a dejar el link para que puedan accesar a su clase gratis y el código es SolviInvite. Utiliza ese código, entra al link, regístrate gratuitamente y haz tu clase gratis con Cambly.
Is there any like Venezuelan slang?
Yeah, a lot.
I know one in Spanish. It's matar dos pájaros con un tiro.
Yes, very good. Okay, so this is an expression. Echar los perros.
echar los perros.
It literally means like to throw the dogs at someone. Something like that.
Like
So,
like let the dogs loose, like there's someone in our property.
at someone, yeah, exactly. That's like the literal translation
right,
to
right,
English, but that's not the meaning of the expression in Spanish. It means to hit on someone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How did that go from, I guess,
From dogs to
yeah. Do you think it was a group of men or women that came up with it?
I actually have no idea how that came about, but yeah. Echar los
Yeah.
perros. Okay, this last one. Pichirre.
Pichire.
Pichirre.
Pichire. Rrre.
Yeah.
Pichire.
It's someone that so it's someone that's tight, has trouble like being generous.
Tight. When I think of tight, usually I think like tight with their money, but
Exactly. Yeah, that's what it means.
pireche?
Pichirre.
Pichire. Pichere. Pichere. Okay.
Okay, I think you did great. I mean,
Yes,
I'm
yes.
confused now as to what title I'm gonna give to this video because it was supposed to be like my teacher struggling with Spanish, but it's not gonna be that now.
I should have tried to dumb it down a little bit.
No. You did great.
Thank you, Solvi.
No, thank you. Thank you for filming with me again. I thought it was fun to have a little, a different type of
Yeah.
video today. One day we have to make a video, an entire video in Spanish.
Oh my God. Dios mío.
Thank you so much for helping me today, and I hope to see you soon.
Thank you. Sounds great, Solvi. Have a great day, and yeah, try to stay cool in that harsh UK heat.
Yeah.
All right.
Bye. Thank you,
Bye.
Glen. Bye. Eso fue todo por hoy. Espero que les haya gustado este video. Yo me divertí muchísimo escuchando el español de mi profesor Glen y la verdad es que tengo que aceptar que es mucho mejor su pronunciación así a la primera que muchas de mis pronunciaciones en el video anterior. Así que muy bien por él y muchísimas gracias a ti por ver este video. Recuerda darle like y compartirlo con otras personas y suscribirte al canal para que no te pierdas ninguno de mis videos nuevos. Será hasta la semana que viene. Les envío un abrazo enorme. ¡Mua! Los quiero mucho.
We love you, our friends.